issue when opening Blender. You download and this happens. You wait and this. You got this error. The code execution cannot proceed because lib galleon w blah 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 .dl was not found. Reinstall the program may fix this. So the solution is very simple. This file is not there in the Blender folder. So what you're going to do is very easy. You're going to open up the Blender location file. You can close this and oh well, it closed itself. Awesome. Going to this location, this PC, local disk, user, your username, downloads, and Blender 64. So what you're going to do is you're going to pay close attention to your PC architecture. Mine is 64. You make ask, well, how do I know my PC architecture? You simply can do this. This one is very easy. You hover in this PC, right click, and properties. You will load, make time, and this here, system type 64-bit. Remember this, 64-bit system. So with that information, you're going to go to your browser and look for Mesa 3D Release, and this found Mesa disk GitHub. And once you are there, you're going to download. Let's wait. This one. Number Mesa 3D, some number release, and the one that explicitly saved MSVC.7c. You're going to download that, and under the file that says 64, you're going to grab the file with the name libgalleon, and you're going to send that to your PC via Drive or whatever you want. You download this, and once you have that, I have mine here, you're just going to do as simple as grab the file and drop it there, as easy as that. Blender 3.6 window. It can work with Blender 3 and above. Doesn't matter if the one you have is 4, 5, or 3. From 3 and beyond, this works fine perfectly. And once you have that, you can just close this and hit launch again, and in a couple minutes it will open. By the way, this is normal. Message in failed to load book and blah. Yeah, close that, hit that again, It will take between 1 and 2 minutes before that one. And yes, now that is the only window. That's what you should expect. Don't touch anything. It will open black boxes around. That doesn't matter. Just don't touch anything. Don't type anything. Wait until Blender load. So in the meantime, we are going to I am going to explain why this happened, why the file is deleted. So basically, it's as little as you have bad internet. That's it. When you download and the internet connection gets interrupted, stop, break, you got corrupted files. Now it's finished. You can play with that. I like it exactly that way. So you're going to hit next, and now you have Blender totally fine. There you have. Power this, and that's it. Well, now there you have it. Blender totally working. Hope this worked for you. If you encounter any problem, well, just tell in the comments and I will tell you the solution. Bye.